In this video, I will show you how to add the phone number to the packing slips in Shopify. In this particular example, I'll be adding the phone number in the company's details section, which is usually visible at the bottom of the packing slip, and probably will add it at the end right under domain name. So to add the phone number, let's log into Shopify admin account, then click on settings, then click on shipping and delivery, then scroll all the way to the bottom, and then select packing slips, and then click on edit template. Before making changes in the template, let's save a local copy. So let's go ahead and select everything, copy, and then paste it in the text document on the computer, just in case. And then let's scroll a bit down, roughly until line 192. Right here, you'll see multiple variables such as shop address, the email, and domain. Since we're going to be adding the phone number under the domain field, let's add the cursor at the end, press enter. On the next line, let's add the line break. For that, just type less than symbol, BR in lowercase, and then greater than symbol. Then once again, press enter. On the next line, let's type telephone 123 as an example. Once that's done, press save. Then let's close it and go back to the orders. Let's open the orders, then click on more actions, print packing slips. And right here, you'll see the phone number, and it's going to be present on every packing slip you're going to be generating. So I hope you found this video helpful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.